Hi children, today we are going to study surface area and volume and exercise 13.1. The first question is a plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep is to be made. It is to be opened at the top, ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet determined. In this question, it is to be opened at the top. Okay. Then find the area of the sheet required for making the box and also find the cost of the sheet for it if a sheet measuring 1 meter square costs rupees 20. So we have to find the area of the sheet and the cost of the sheet. Cost they are given over here. So in the question they are given length equals 1.5 meter, breadth equals 1.25 meter and they are given 65 centimeter as deep. Deep is height. Height is equal to 65 centimeter. Meter convert to centimeter because this unit are meter. We have to write this one as a meter. So 65 by 100 we will get 0.65 meter. Got it? Then we have to find the area of the sheet LB plus 2 into BH plus HL. Substitute all the values. L means 1.5 into B means 1.25 plus 2 into BH means 1.25 into H is 0.65 plus H equals 0.65 into 1.5. While this one multiplying we will get the answer 1.875. Multiplying, remove the decimal places and multiply as whole number and take the after getting product you should put the decimal point from the right of the number. Okay, then the answer is 1.875 plus 2 into while multiplying these two you will get the answer 0.8125 plus while multiplying these two numbers you will get the answer 0.975. Then 1.875 like that only plus 2 into after adding this one 2 into you will get 1.7875. Okay. Then 1.875 plus 2 into this number 3.575. Adding these two number you will get the area 5.45 meter square. Then we found the area. Then the next one is the cost of the sheet. Is it? Cost they are already given 1 meter square equals rupees 20. So area into rupees 20. 5.45 into rupees 20. You will get the answer rupees 109. So the cost required for the sheet is 109. Got it? The next question. The length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter, 3 meter respectively. So this is length, this is breadth and this is height. Is it? Find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling at the rate of rupees 7.50 per meter square. So we have to find the cost. Is it? Before finding the cost we have to find the area. So what is given over here? Length equals 5 meter and the breadth equals 4 meter, then height equals 3 meter. So while painting means we have to find the area. Area of the 4 walls equals what? Area of the 4 walls equals lateral surface area. LSA, okay, lateral surface area. So 2 into BH plus HL equals 2H into B plus L. Got it? Then 2 into H is 3. B plus L is 4 plus 5. So 2 into 3. Then 2 into 9 into 3. Okay. So 2 into 9 means 4 plus 5 9. This is 3. So after multiplying we will get the answer 54 meter square. So we got the area of the 4 walls. Then we have to find area of ceiling. Area of ceiling. Area of ceiling means rectangle area is L into B. Is it? So L is here 5. 5 into breadth is 4. 5 into 4 that is 20 meter square. So we got the area. So we have to find the total area. Total area of walls and ceiling. is it? Ceiling of the room. So how to find the total area? We have to add these two. Area of the four walls plus area of the ceiling. We will get total, that is 54 plus 20 equals 74 meters square. So we got the total area, TSA. Next we have to find, we know the cost of the whitewashing 1 meter square equals rupees 7.50, they are given. So therefore cost of whitewashing area is 74 for 74 meters square. Is it? How to find? 74 into 7.50. While multiplying you will get rupees 5055. The next question is the third one. The floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meter. If the cost of painting the four walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is rupees 15,000, find the height of the hall. They are given here perimeter. We have to find the height and also find the cost of painting four walls. So here perimeter equals 250. Is it? 250 meter. So as we know, the rectangular perimeter is 2 into L plus B equals 250. So L plus B equals 250 divided by 2. We will get 125. Is it? 125. So this is the equation number first. Second one, area of four walls equals, they are given here four walls is 15,000 by 10. Rupees 10 per meter square is rupees 15,000. So we have to divide. So we will get 1,000. Cutting this one, we will get 1,500 meter square. Got it? So 2 into L plus B into H equals 1,500. 2 into L plus B into height equals 1,500. So L plus B into H equals 1,500 by 2. So L plus B into H equals 750. So this is the equation number 750. Is it? So L plus B we will substitute. L plus B we got from the first equation. The answer is 125H equals 750. So this is the second equation. So we have to find H. Is it? So H equals 750 from the second and first L plus B, that is 125. While dividing we will get 6 meter. So this is the height of the hole. Got it? Next question is, the paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meters square. How many bricks of dimension 22.5 cm into 10 meter into 7.5 cm can be painted out of this container? So they are given the length of the brick. L equals 22.5 cm and the breadth also 10 cm. Height also they are given 7.5 meter. As from the question itself, we know we have to find the surface area. Surface area of the brick. Is it? So how to find the surface area of the brick? So 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Is it? So we have to substitute all this value. 2 into 22.5 into 10 plus 10 into 7.5 plus 7.5 into 22.5. Then 2 into, we have to multiply these two. We will get the answer like this. 225 plus 75 plus 168.75. So we should add these three numbers first and then multiply into 2. We will get the final answer 937.5 centimeters square. Got it? This is centimeter square. While converting this one, 1 centimeter equals 0.01 meter. Got it? After converting, we will get the answer 0.01 0.9375 meter square. Centimeter to meter square we should convert. So we got the surface areas. So we have to find now the bricks to be painted. So how to find bricks to be painted? Bricks to be painted. How to find? So total area to be painted divided by area of the brick. Got it? Total area to be painted divided by the area of the brick. That is, we got 9.375 divided by 0.09375. After this one we will divide, you will get the answer 100. So what is 100 bricks can be painted. Got it? The next question is, a cuboidal box has each edge 10 cm and another cuboidal box is 12.5 cm long, 10 cm wide and 8 cm high. Which box has the greater lateral surface and by how much? So we are given that each of the edge of the cubical box A equals, first is cuboidal box A equals 10 cm. So lateral surface of the cuboidal box is what? Lateral surface. We have to find, is it? Lateral surface of the cuboidal box. Cuboidal box equals 4a square, is it? So 4 into 10 square. We will get the answer 400 centimeter square. This is the lateral surface of the cuboidal box. So we have another box also, is it? So that is another cuboidal box length equals 12.5 centimeter, breadth is equals 10 centimeter and the height equals 8 centimeter, is it? So we have to find the lateral of the cuboidal box. Lateral surface area of the cuboidal box. The first one is not cuboidal. The first one is cube, okay. Second one is cuboidal. So how to find 2 into L plus B into H. So equals 2 into 12.5 plus 10 into 8. So while adding these two and then multiply with the 2, multiply with 8, you will get the answer 360 centimeter square. So we got the lateral surface area of the cube and the cuboid, is it? Then we have to find cuboid box has greater lateral surface area than cuboidal box. Cubical box has greater lateral surface area than the cuboidal box. How to find 400 minus 360 centimeter square? Then we will get the answer is 40. By how much means 40 centimeter square. First we find the cube lateral surface and then we find the cuboidal lateral surface. Then we subtract these two lateral surface. We get the how much difference, is it? So that is 40 centimeter square. So these are the questions from the 13.1. Rest 2-3 questions is there. You have to do it as a homework. If you have any doubt, ask me through the comments. Okay. Thank you.